Today is my birthday, and for my birthday, I am at SeaWorld! Actually, I'm not there yet, but I'm going. I'm so excited to see all the fish and go on all the rides. I'm especially excited to see an eel. Maybe I'll even be splashed by an orca whale or a dolphin. I'm so excited. SeaWorld is going to be so cool. Do you know what else is cool? You guys, you're worth it. Bye. Hi guys, today is Az's birthday and we are telling you our favorite things about him. Mine is his artistic abilities. My favorite thing about Az is he keeps me company at night. My favorite thing about Az is that he has such a big imagination. Thank you guys, and thank you guys for all the birthday wishes. You are worth it. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to Animal Monday, and today we're going to learn about bunnies. Did you know that bunnies' teeth never stop growing? That's crazy. Bunnies are masters at hearing, and they have great eyesight. Bunnies' babies are also called kittens. I love bunnies, and I also love you guys. You are worth it. Bye. Hi guys, I made this at Color Me Mine. It's so cute. I want to show you it. The front of the truck is a teal color with love on the top, accessories on the front, a heart, and waves on the side. The back of the truck is a dark blue color with pink and love on the back, and I keep my necklaces in the bed that has teal on the outside. It has gold in the tires and brown around the rim. I love painting, and I love you guys. You are worth it. Bye.
Hey guys, I got this awesome thing for my bedroom. I'm going to open it up and show you what it looks like. It's a net that you can put pictures on and hang it up on the wall, and it looks so cute for a beach-themed bedroom like mine. There's so many cute seashells all over it. Look how pretty. Look how big it is. And then it comes with these clips so I can put pictures onto it. I cannot wait to have all of my memories captured in my net. I love you guys so much. As always, you are worth it. Bye.
Hey guys, welcome to our school bus. We just got done filming a video with Miss Cronkey.
Hi kids.
We got popsicles at the end of the video. Mine is a pina colada one. Mine is orange. And mine is green apple. We had such a fun day on the school bus with Miss Cronkey. Click up here to watch the video. Hi guys, welcome back to Fun Fact Friday. Today, I'm going to tell you 5 facts about me. Number 1, my favorite color is green. Number 2, my favorite